Hi everyone, this is Marcus with DTF Station, and in this video, we will go over how to properly load media into the Aries 113. Now head over to the Media B and remove these two pins. This will allow you to pull this media holder out. Now take a screwdriver and loosen the screw on the side. Then remove this entire end by sliding it off. Now take your media and route it onto the bar. Make sure to check that the orientation of your media is correct before proceeding. Now place this end cap back on until snug. Tighten this screw back up. Now take the entire setup and place it back onto the Media B feeder. Now bring the pins back that you moved earlier and secure it back into place. Now turn these knobs to fully secure the system. Now head over to the take-up reel. Loosen these knobs in order to allow the motor system to slide. Take your media core and place it into the system. You want to line up the media core to the Media B up above. Once lined up, tighten these knobs to secure. Next, head over to the Media A feeder. Loosen these knobs. Open up the motor system, place the media into the system in a way that it unrolls through the bottom as shown. Lining this up to the laminating roll, or Media B roll, is extremely important. Once lined up, you can adjust the placement of this bracket in order to keep its position consistent. Once in place, tighten both knobs to secure the position. Now roll out some media. Now route the media under these rods, but over this rod as shown. Then route it under and around this last rod to pull the media towards you. At this time, you're checking if the media is still centered and has consistent tension on both sides. Once confirmed, feed the media through and to the front of the printer. Now turn this knob clockwise to open up the heating rollers. Now feed the media through as shown. Make sure to pull out enough media to work with. Then take an Allen wrench and place it through this hole on the feed reel to jam the roll. This will allow you to pull the film taut without the roll unraveling. When you pull the film taut, this will allow you to feel out when the film is straight and even tension is created on both sides of the film. Once ready, close the heating rollers by rotating this knob counterclockwise. At this time, it is good practice to gently pull the roll from the back. You are checking for 1, if the film is straight, and 2, if there is even tension on both sides. This is to prevent the chance of the film's adhesive from making contact with the heat rollers during a long production day. Now head to the back of the printer to the protective film take-up reel. Loosen these knobs and spread out the motor system. Get your media core in place. Center to the media. Then time these knobs. Head to the front of the printer and with your snap blade, score a line across the media. For your initial setup, do not peel this protective film off. Not peeling the film off will make the adjustment process easier when you have to set the alignment with a microscope. You will now be able to pull off the protective film as shown. Now peel the protective film towards the back. Gently pull on the film to make sure that it is aligned straight towards the media core, and with some tape, secure the film to the media core. And for this take-up system, turn it on by switching the switch to the 1 position. Now, this next step is very important. Pull out some media from the Media B roll and place it over onto the Media A. It is very important that Media B fully covers Media A. Media A has an adhesive surface and you need to prevent that adhesive glue from sticking to the heating roller as it prints. If Media B does not cover Media A properly, you need to adjust the position of the Media A feed reel, since the Media B feed reel cannot shift left and right very much. At this time, go ahead and remove the Allen wrench from the feed reel. Now turn the printer on from the back. Note, if you are about to set your adjustments for your initial setup, this heater must be turned off before proceeding. Slowly feed more media out by pressing on the down arrow button. Keep an eye closely on the media to make sure none of the areas are getting lifted. Once media side A and B are married, it must be attached to the take-up reel, or else the film can easily bundle up at the heat rollers. Power on the take-up, reeled by switching it to the 2 position. Also, always remember to check the new X position whenever new media is loaded, and input that position into Hosensoft as shown here. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.